What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very exciting video for me and Josh. We ordered these Greddy RS mufflers way back in June, and right now it's almost October. So we waited a long ass time for these. They were put on additional wait period because of all the COVID stuff and all that, because they come from Japan. But now that they are here, we're just more than excited. So we're gonna get to opening them up, see what they look like, and eventually see how they sound. Josh will have to take his to a shop. Mine, I think we're gonna try and weld on just my friend. He's a really good welder, so we're gonna try and TIG weld it on. And hopefully kind of do a custom angle type thing to see if it can show. But for now, let's just see what Greddy sent us and just see the overall quality. Alright guys, so it not only came with the muffler, but also came with license plate cover and a sticker. So that's super exciting. We weren't sure what we were all going to get with the box, whether they would just send the muffler or what. So we got a license plate cover, which I've been wanting one of these for a long time because I knew that I had Greddy coming. But I was just going to wait and see whether it came with one, and they pulled through. So I'm super excited about that, and obviously the sticker's just an added bonus. I already have some on my car, but we can put them on the cabinet or something like that. So now let's just get into unwrapping this and seeing the quality of the steel and stuff. Alright guys, so the muffler looks super nice. It's 10 times better than my crappy eBay one. I mean, that one doesn't sound terrible for 50 bucks, but you get what you pay for. This we paid like 250 bucks for, and it looks amazing. The Greddy logo is engraved on it, which is just like a plus, obviously. And it was an extra like 100 bucks if we wanted a burnt tip. My friend, like I said, he's a very good welder, and he's very good with metal and stuff. That's what he does for a living. So we're gonna get him to just burn the tip a little bit, make it have the blue burnt tip look, which will make it look a little better, and that saves us a little bit of money. And then afterwards, we'll be putting it on the car, and hopefully it just sounds amazing. It looks like it's gonna sound good. It's heavy, it has the good quality. Let's just hope when it gets on the car that it sounds good, but I'm sure that it will. Alright guys, so we got the old exhaust off. Now we've got this one mocked up. We're just going to tack it on and then go back under the car and make sure that it fits good. So yeah, let's get to tacking the Greddy onto the stock pipe, and yeah. Alright guys, so we have the old fart can off. Come to find out, actually the baffles had gone in it, so that's good to find out. It was way too raspy at near the end anyway. That's what you get with Amazon quality. We had to go get some bolts from APC. They're like 15 bucks for a pack of 2, so that's not too bad. Just because the exhaust bolts broke, happens all the time, so we just had to get a new one. So yeah, let's just get into installing the Greddy actually professionally. We did install it kind of half before, as you guys saw in that clip, and it was just kind of bolted on loosely. Now we're actually going to have it bolted on properly, and we're actually going to hear what this thing properly sounds like. Alright guys, so it is now the next day. The exhaust has been on for a little bit. It sounds amazing. I'm in love with it. Still has that fresh exhaust smell, which is a bonus. But just for a muffler, I would highly recommend this. Not saying that my eBay one was terrible. It didn't sound that bad for the $50 that I spent on it. But the baffles were wore out in it, and I only had it on for a year. And it just wasn't really what I was looking for. I decided to at least not cheap out on the muffler aspect, and this Greddy RS muffler sounds amazing, and I just love it. I would highly recommend it. We'll link it down in the description box below. We got a place called T-Dot. It's based out of Toronto, Ontario. Now that it's on, it sounds amazing, and I love it. High quality, and it was easy to do. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Check out our TikTok and Instagram, sboys_TV, and if you're shopping at motorelement.com, use code SBOYS for 15% off. Anyways guys, we'll see you in the next video.